The Attorney General, in an impassioned interview, describes the judgment as one that strikes at the very heart of the state, undermining the Ghana Revenue Authority's ability to reassess and recompute taxes. The ruling stems from a tax dispute involving businessman Azruddin Mohamed, where the court held that the GRA could not impose post-clearance taxes on him. Nandlall argued that existing tax laws, including the Income Tax and Customs Act, explicitly give the state 7 years to recover outstanding taxes and the authority to go back and correct earlier assessments.
Taxes is the lifeblood of a nation. Taxes is what runs a country. And that is why the state is invested with this huge repertoire of power to assess taxes. And the state is given exceptional ability in law and by law to do things that may look extraordinary in order to recover taxes.
Addressing the facts of the Mohamed case, the Attorney General pointed to the evidence the GRA presented, which he said showed a major under-declaration. According to Nandlall, the vehicle in question was declared at $7,000 to $6,000, while wire transfers showed the actual price was close to $700,000. He stressed that in law, fraud unravels everything, and once evidence of fraud is before a taxing authority, it triggers a duty to recover the correct amount. He reminded that customs duties are ad valorem, directly dependent on value.
Because here you have a judicial officer that is taking away from the state power that Parliament has vested in the state. And that is the ratio decidendi of the judgment. Taken to its logical conclusion, GRA has lost the ability to ever reassess and recompute taxes and is bound by every declaration and every submission that a taxpayer pays. So taxes in the country now will be determined by the taxpayer.
Nandlall confirmed that the GRA will immediately appeal the ruling, stating the authority has no choice. He also expressed hope that the matter will be fast-tracked through the appellate court. He further clarified that the ruling has no bearing on any ongoing extradition proceedings involving Mohamed, noting that those processes were only affected by the withdrawal of related criminal charges. Colwyn Abrams, Ghana TV 9 News.